You remember the debate about Tillman Hall at Clemson University. Students wanted the name of that building changed because of the history behind the man, Benjamin Tillman.
The name debate has reached another part of the Upstate now. Some students at Wade Hampton High School want to rename the school because they say Wade Hampton was oppressive to minorities. Well, tonight, our Erin Rogers is digging into this. She's joining us live with more on the debate. Erin?
Well, imagine if you can Wade Hampton High School with a different name. Some students say the current name honors a bigot, while other students say they don't think anything needs to change. A name that's caused so much controversy.
This is something we want to do. This is something we want to stand up for.
That something for Wade Hampton Jr. Asha Marie was creating a petition that has more than 1,300 signatures to change the name of Wade Hampton High School.
He was a Confederate war general, and I found out that he supported the KKK, and he was one of the largest slave owners.
She says she still experiences discrimination at the high school and says she's gotten a lot of support. But not everybody is on board. There's a counter petition going around that has nearly 2,000 signatures. Many saying changing the name erases history. I spoke to one graduate who signed the counter petition, stating among other reasons, financial costs associated with rebranding. But Asha Marie says the naysayers aren't stopping her.
I'm not discouraged at all seeing the counter petition. I'm not surprised by it. We live in the South.
The creator of the petition had the idea to rename the high school after a former Greenville mayor, who she says made the city more inclusive.
We wanted someone who had an impact in our city.
She says they started researching, and Max Heller was that person.
He basically just built Greenville up. We didn't want someone like Wade Hampton whose legacy was riddled with hate and racism. We wanted someone who supported everyone, who fought for everyone.
The school board released a statement saying, in part, though the Board of Trustees is responsible for naming school facilities, state statute forbids the removal of historic figure's name from a public structure without a 2/3 vote of the General Assembly. Now the students say that they're still planning to go before the school board in the very near future. Live in Greenville, I'm Erin Rogers, 7 News.
Erin, thank you. Petitioners say that their next steps are writing their lawmakers and continuing to campaign on social media.